In the bustling world around us, finding a place of peace and tranquility is essential. A Zen garden offers a sanctuary, a miniature representation of nature's calming embrace. Originating in Japan, these gardens were traditionally found in Zen monasteries, serving as places for meditation and contemplation. Today, anyone can create their own Zen garden, a miniature oasis to soothe the mind and spirit. With just a few essential elements, you can create a space that promotes mindfulness and inner peace. Let us embark on a journey to create your own personal sanctuary, a tranquil escape from the everyday chaos. The beauty of a Zen garden lies in its minimalist design, utilizing only a handful of key elements: sand, rocks, and small plants. Each element holds symbolic meaning, contributing to the overall harmony and balance of the space. Sand, meticulously raked into patterns, represents the sea or the vastness of the universe. The act of raking the sand itself becomes a meditative practice, calming the mind and promoting focus. Rocks, carefully chosen for their size, shape, and texture, represent mountains or islands. They symbolize strength, permanence, and resilience amidst life's changing tides. Small plants, often evergreen varieties, add subtle touches of life and color. Choose plants with minimal care requirements, ensuring they complement the minimalist aesthetic of your Zen garden. At the heart of a Zen garden lies the principle of minimalism, the art of using less to express more. By stripping away unnecessary elements, we create space for contemplation and allow the beauty of simplicity to shine through. A cluttered environment can lead to a cluttered mind, filled with distractions and anxieties. In contrast, a minimalist space promotes clarity, focus, and a sense of calm. In a Zen garden, the absence of excess allows us to connect more deeply with the present moment, finding beauty in the subtle details we might otherwise overlook. Section 4, Crafting Your Oasis, a step-by-step guide. Creating your own Zen garden is a rewarding experience, a journey of mindful creation and self-expression. Follow these steps to build your own miniature oasis. First, choose your space. Select a location that receives adequate sunlight and offers a sense of peace and privacy. Even a small balcony or a corner of your garden can be transformed into a tranquil retreat. Next, define the boundaries. Use materials like wood, stones, or bamboo to create a defined border for your garden. Then, prepare the ground. Level the ground within the border and lay down a weed barrier fabric to prevent unwanted growth. After that, add the sand. Pour a layer of sand approximately 2 to 3 inches deep, evenly across the prepared area. Now, place the rocks. Arrange the rocks thoughtfully, considering their size, shape, and relationship to each other. Next, rake the sand. Use a rake to create patterns in the sand, representing ripples in water or flowing energy. Optionally, introduce plants. Carefully position small plants in designated areas, ensuring they complement the overall design without overwhelming the space. Finally, maintain your garden. Regularly rake the sand to maintain the patterns and remove any debris. Section 5. Cultivating Tranquility, the philosophy of a Zen garden. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, a Zen garden embodies profound philosophical principles, inviting us to cultivate inner peace and connect with a deeper sense of self. Central to the Zen philosophy is the concept of mindfulness, the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment. The minimalist design of a Zen garden encourages us to detach from material possessions and embrace simplicity. Each element in a Zen garden holds symbolic meaning, encouraging us to reflect on our own lives and the interconnectedness of all things. Section 6. A sanctuary for the soul, the benefits of your Zen oasis. Creating and maintaining a Zen garden offers numerous therapeutic benefits, extending far beyond the physical boundaries of the space. The act of gardening itself is inherently therapeutic, providing an opportunity to connect with nature, relieve stress, and engage in mindful activity. As you tend to your Zen garden, you are cultivating patience, focus, and an appreciation for the beauty of simplicity. Your Zen garden serves as a sanctuary, a place where you can escape the demands of daily life and reconnect with your inner peace.